To get further information, please refer to the ECP Upgrade Guide, specifically Chapter 5.1 Upgrade of Endpoint on Windows. The Endpoint is now running on the older version of ECP application. For purposes of this video, ECP version 4.7.2 is used. At first, the ECP Endpoint service has to be stopped before the upgrade, which can be done directly from service. When the endpoint is not running, Java needs to be updated to Java 11. The process starts with uninstallation of the original Java in Programs and Features. The next step is to use Java 11 installer and to accept the terms in the license agreement. In the Custom Setup window, Java Home variable and the jar files association need to be selected to be installed. After the successful installation, two Java parameters need to be updated. Go to Program Files, Red Hat, Java 11, Conf, Security, and open java.security file. At first, search for crypto.policy and make sure that the parameter is not commented. Then search for the secure random.source parameter and change its value from random to urandom. Save the file. For upgrade of Endpoint on Windows Server, it's necessary to have prepared the ECP Endpoint jar file. After double-click, the user interface for installation is opened. It's necessary to set up the installation type to upgrade of an existing ECP installation and the targeted installation path, which should be the path where the application is already installed. Now the upgrade is finished. Before starting the application, the configuration needs to be updated. Go to ECP Endpoint folder and open ecp.properties. Search for login and then update the two parameters. The first one to login.file.name and the second one to login.file.path. Go up and find the command sync more often to avoid waiting. Delete all 3 lines. Do the same with the 2 lines starting with endpoint messaging statistics, and finally delete the 4 lines for central remote message path store synchronization. Save the file. In case encrypted passwords are used in ECP.properties and ECP-users.properties, these passwords need to be regenerated due to change of encryption algorithm to the more secure one. Detailed guide is described in ECP Administration Guide Chapter 4.6 Encrypted Passwords. The application can be started, and that can be done directly from services under the service name ECP Endpoint. Now it's possible to open the graphical user interface via web browser using the same URL as before. The loading process can take a few seconds. When the page is successfully loaded, it's possible to log in. As we can see, the upgrade has been successful and it's possible to display the main dashboard of the endpoint. The version of ECP application is updated to 4.8.0.